in my cluster. The pilot testing. Three. Are we good? Sige. So the pilot testing of the RSBSN cell has been finalized and hopefully we'll roll this out in the next 2 months. Yes. And then the PACER standard have been finalized by the TWG and now discussed at the NAC. However, we started the capacity building of the cooperatives engaged in lending by regions through the Finance Cooperatives Cluster Highly Skilled Trainer Hernan Calabiab. Last month, I met with the Calbayog City Mayor Raimundo Casillo-Oy with the City Cooperative Development Officer, and we made a blood top-up that they will be coming up with merged and consolidated cooperatives in Calbayog City by September. TOT on the Finlet from northern and eastern and summer areas were conducted. Both the young and the old farmers were there. And then an amazing event happened last week with FPSDC blessing of the Agricultural Trading Hub, the Farmers Trading Hub in Pampanga. So I was so amazed that federations like the FPSDC is really looking into the gaps in the value chain and markets of the farmers. So this is with the Ayala Corporation Group and the Mamacita group of company was also there to assure that there is really going to be market for their produce from the farmers. So maganda ang nangyayari and there are more better ways of doing things with federations. So kailangan na talaga tayo magkipag-partner sa federations because they are the tool for so much development on the ground. I was in Region 13 and had an inspirational message to the coconut farmers under the CFIDP Entrepreneurial Business Development Training. And on that training, I met a very active co-op leader, no, that invited me to proceed to their co-op in Siargao. And indeed, I went there, and it gave me so much lesson, just like what we learned in Australia. In like manner, that old age in what was that co-op that we visited, where the chairman was more than 70 years old, but still serving meals in the restaurant in Belgium or somewhere. Yeah, we did. No, the beautiful things that I discovered in Siargao is cooperatives are managed by senior citizens and they are very useful still. So I also visited an agro ecotourism park, very small lake, managed also by elderlies. So instead of rumor mongering sessions, they are very busy developing the lagoon. And it's nice that they had partnership with DNR and they were given 25 years to use the lagoon. And I experienced how a startup cannot provide even sleepers. Kasi very sharp pa yung way. So you have to wear either shoes or slippers para hindi ka masugatan. And the DNR will not allow them to put cement because bawal yan to preserve the environment. So they really have to buy these slippers and shoes, no, for the comfort and safety of their clients. Okay, I went to Agusan likewise to promote the new CSF program, and lo and behold, if we just explain very well the goal of the program, immediately Pera MPC in Agusan committed 1 million pesos for this project. So I need also Savings and Credit Cooperative, which was already closed, and they are requesting for an extension of the amnesty program with the PA MPC. And you know, a 97-year-old woman who was the pioneer member of that cooperative was there, saying her piece, na nag-down lang sila because the founder went to Germany and lived there na. And finally, he came for retirement, Mr. Hill, na nandun na siya ngayon, and they want him again to manage the cooperative. And then, the AgriCoop in San Mateo, which I happened to meet during the CFIDP, the chairman, very young person, na he was able now to partner with DA that will have a dispersal of the goat for the dairy industry the following day. So this puts across the message that partnerships really is very necessary for our cooperatives to flourish. And the last meeting, it was already in the evening, is with the transport cooperative. These are very important developments on the ground na nakikita din natin somewhere in Europe na well-managed talaga ang kanilang care for the aged, care for the senior citizens. That is happening now in Siargao. Very progressive yung mga cooperatives because the need is being responded to. So there is really hope for us, and I hope that we all will listen and go down to where our services are needed. So to the RDs, be open to the cries of our cooperatives on the ground, because this will truly make a difference in their journey towards economic and social development. Thank you very much, everyone.